Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to today's edition. So today we'll be explaining to you how to install this software. Yeah, this is Riorelax, Laravel luxury hotel and resort booking website. This is a website for hotel users, like for hotel owners. Yeah, so when you want to, it's basically for hotels. Like you can come to this website and book rooms, book apartments. Yeah, can you see? It's a booking website. So it's for hotel owners. You can check on this website. It's very good. It's making sense and it's really okay. So you relax Laravel hotel and resort booking system. Relax. It's clean, premium, and modern booking script. It is very responsive. It is responsive to any screen. Any screen. Yeah, so now let's move to the installation of this website. So you already know you have already purchased, you have purchased the script already. Purchase the script. When you purchase the script, you already have the license automatically. So how you do this, so don't forget that you have to I've created your subdomain. You've created your domain. You also create a database. So I've created those two for this video. You have to create a subdomain and database. Now this is my database, and I first Riorelax. So just name it the name of the website you want to do. So now let's go to file manager or file manager. Yeah, yeah. Don't forget it. Your file manager. So we already have the So now we have to upload it already. I have to upload it on the subdomain, and you see, so when you click on the upload, it's going to load. Then drag file is here to start uploading, and you do what? You select file. So select file here and open. Yeah, so that starts uploading. So while we wait for it to upload, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and comment if you have any issue. You want to comment, drop a comment on the comment section. And for those that want the full installation, can hire us through the details on your screen. So while we wait for it to download, yes, it's successful. It's complete already. So you click on the go back to the file manager. You can see now it has been uploaded successfully on the domain. Yeah, so now click on it, you click on this, and the first thing you do is to extract. I'm going to extract the file. So you right click, then extract. Can you see extract? You click on the extract. Yeah, so yes, extract files. So it's going to extract on the good. So been extracted. Close. It has been extracted. This is the folder up. This is the extracted folder here, and this is the zip file. So if you wish, you can delete it, not to take a lot of space. Can you see? So now click on the folder. This is everything we have in the folder. So don't forget, we're going to return it back. I'm going to take it back to the root folder. So that's what you want to do now. You take it back to the root folder. So when you click select all, and you do what? You move, then you return it back to the root folder. And you see, yes, click on move files. Good. So everything has been returned back to the root folder. Because if it's not returned to the root folder, then I'm not sure if it's going to load. So can you see we have them here? So now let's go live. Let's check our software. So you use your domain, like whatever you created your domain with. So yeah, good. Yeah, can you see? Good. That's brought the interface. Yeah, that's brought the site. So let's go. Good. So make sure to ensure that all this has been marked, like your hosting has access to all these, because without this then you are going nowhere, and some of these will be showing the red tick, that means you cannot continue from there. So make sure your hosting have access to all this. You're going to see it under all this. You're going to see it under here. It's going to show you the mark. Yeah, so let's continue with our installation. So we're going to configure environment. Yes, good. So before I told you earlier that I've created my database. So whatever I created, create your database with so you're going to put the name, the username, and the password. So yeah, wrong. So copy it, drop it on your username and your name and your username. So let's go for the password also. So good, copy, then put it here also. So let's go install. Let's check it out. Good. So it's asking us to create an account. So automatically I'm going to create an account. I get to create an account. So you'll be able to log in into the dashboard. So you get. So now name, the first name, the last name, username. Yeah, you can use anything. That's your choice, your username. And don't forget to email, the responsive email. So create a password. So let's create a password. So password confirmation. Good. So let's create. Good. So now we are here. Good. And installation is finished. Successfully has been installed. So whatever your name, your username you are using, the email and your password, you have to be very, very careful with it. So now to lose installation. So let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's go. Let's see what we have there. Good. We are here. We are here. So this is Riorelax Luxury Hotel website. This website is good for hotel owners where you can track numbers of hotel remaining, numbers of customers coming in, numbers of reserved apartments. Can you see? So we have hotel here, we have bookings where the customers can book for. So the booking reports, the booking calendar, we have galleries, we have payments, we have teams, and we have testimonials where those that have used the hotel before can drop a review on how the hotel is. So guys, don't forget, please subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. So guys, we are done on this. See you on the next.